J.O.A.T.D back with another one.
Classen Turf Rake or Power Rake, model number TR-20K. First, pull the unit out of compact mode. You will have a locking ring on your left and a locking ring on your right. Put the rings in the locking position to lock the handle. The engagement lever has 5 set pins. When you push the lever forward, it lowers the flail blades. You have 5 positions to lower the flail blades. When you pull the lever back, it raises the flail blades. All you have to do is find a locking position. This is a close-up of the engagement lever being pushed forward. Notice how the machine tilts down to gain closer contact with the ground. First, turn the switch in the front to the on position. Next, push the gas lever to the right to the on position. Then, push the choke lever to the left to the on position. This engine has been ran for a couple of minutes, so the engine's already warm. The choke lever can be turned off. Now grab the handle to the pull start and give it a pull. This handle controls the throttle speed. Pushing it to the right slows the throttle down, and pushing it to the left speeds the throttle up. Now let's walk you through the setup process again. Turn the switch in the front to the on position. After that, turn the gas lever to the right to its on position. Then move up and move the choke to the left to its on position. Now this engine has been running for a while, so we're going to turn the choke off. Next, give it a pull. Now turn the throttle speed up and you're ready to go. Look at all that thatch. When lowering the blades, make sure that the blades scuff little to no dirt. Failure to do so could damage your lawn. Alright guys, so let's take a look at this beast of a machine. Alright guys, that's it. Take a look in my descriptions area if you need the manual for this machine. This is J.O.A.T.D and I'm out.